I'm Nikki.
And I'm Bessie. We're research students at UTS looking at native plant flammability.
Which, by the way, is how plants burn. We look at how long they burn for, how hot they burn, and how long it takes for them to ignite.
You might have heard of quite a few bushfires in recent years due to climate change. The research we're doing helps us figure out which plants to put in at-risk areas so we can slow down bushfires and help to protect our homes.
We think it's very important work, so let's get into it.
Our work has 3 parts: fieldwork, lab work, and burning.
Get in, Bessie, we're going sampling.
Today, we're sampling at Trees Impact, a plant nursery on the Central Coast. Here, we take 2 50cm samples from each tree. One we'll take measurements from, and the other one will burn.
This sample here is from the spotted gum tree. The scientific name for this native Australian species is Corymbia maculata. Native plants are extremely important to Australian wildlife. They provide food and habitat for all sorts of animals, which is why our research is so focused on native species.
We bag the samples up to stop water evaporating out of them and label them so we know which one is which.
Our next phase is working with the measurement sample in the lab. We use a machine to measure the average leaf area of the sample and then weigh it. We then dry them out in an oven to work out how much water has evaporated out of the samples.
Now for the fun part. But please remember we're trained professionals and you should never test plant flammability yourself. We burn the samples using a device that we call the plant barbecue. It's very hot and some samples burn to over 700 degrees Celsius. While it's burning, we take many measurements, such as the temperature of the flames using an infrared temperature gun. Safety is our first priority, and we always have water nearby.
Well, I hope that gave you a little insight into what it's like to be an environmental scientist.
Next time you're out in your garden or on a walk, take a look around and see if you can spot any native plants.
These could be plants like gum trees or bottle brushes. They all do so much to help our ecosystem.